sure he's tied off. 100%. Copy that. He's tied off. No accidents out here. 0. You copy? I copy that.
0. 30 years ago, the construction industry was battling on several fronts. The runaway inflation at the time wasn't helping. There was labor unrest, fatalities, too many injuries, and bad projects over budget and behind schedule. A contentious, arm's-length existence between owners and contractors meant a lack of trust. And a lack of trust meant things weren't moving forward. The automotive and aerospace industries were pouring money into research. Not so construction. It was unchanging, doing things the way they'd always been done. But it couldn't last. Not if the industry wanted to compete. And so something happened. And it started at the University of Texas at Austin. A professor of civil engineering there, Dr. Richard L. Tucker, had just completed a productivity study for Texaco. And the big company liked it, saw the potential for university-based research. So other companies were called to a meeting to explore this idea of construction research. 28 pioneering companies from both the owner and contractor sides agreed it was time. Time to join together and fund research so that the industry and the nation could compete on a global scale. The result was the creation of the Construction Industry Institute, CII. Today, we celebrate 30 years of research, and the construction industry is better for it. Because no other industry has so much impact on the quality of life around the world. Plants are built, infrastructure rises, and we advance with better living and a better tomorrow. Construction's always been a tough business. Much of it's done outdoors and it can be dangerous. But safety records are improving. Projects are coming in with 0 injuries, on budget and on schedule, even though they're more complicated than ever. In the beginning, Dr. Tucker knew that he needed help, and he sought the expertise of other universities and their faculties. But he also tapped into a man whose experience in construction, in project management, in business, in large projects, in government agencies was unmatched. Lieutenant General Carroll H. Dunn. In 1983, he had just completed leading a 5-year study of the construction industry for the Business Roundtable. And General Dunn would be an inspiration and a guiding light as the Institute began to change the nation's largest industry. CII named its Award of Excellence, its highest honor, for Carroll H. Dunn. Today, the work at CII in many ways is similar to those early efforts 30 years ago, but it's grown. Those 28 members now number more than 130 global leaders. Research is still key. It's carried out at over 30 of America's top universities, giving professors and graduate students the opportunity to find better ways to build our world. But CII isn't just research. It's implementing research findings. It's creating implementation champions and communities of practice. The benchmarking effort is measuring project performance as data is input and analyzed in the performance assessment system. There's webinars and streaming videos. CII has reason to celebrate. What began at the University of Texas with Dr. Tucker and productivity studies and faculty and students wanting to contribute has changed the industry for the greater good. For better projects, safer working environments, and a record of achievement that makes everyone involved at CII very proud. Congratulations, CII, on 30 great years.